Hello kids, today we are going to read the chapter Motion and Time, and in this part we are going to read about motion, speed, uniform and non-uniform motion, and about the time. So first is motion. So whenever an object moves, it is said to be in motion. Everything in this universe is in constant motion. Even when an object is thought to be stationary on earth, it is still in motion because of the earth itself is in continuous motion. Okay, as the earth is rotating about its own axis, it is also revolving around the sun. Okay, so what is a motion? If the position of an object changes with respect to other objects in its surrounding, then the body is said to be in motion. And if the position of the object does not change with respect to its surrounding, then we can say that the body is at rest. Now there is speed. So what is speed? Speed is the distance traveled by an object in a unit time. So here is a formula, that is speed equals to distance by time, and the SI unit of speed is meter per second. So speed gives the idea of how fast or slow an object is moving. Okay, and we can find it by measuring the distance and the time, and when we divide both we get the speed, or we can know that how speedily our body is moving. Okay, for example, if uh, the distance between two cities is 300 kilometer, let us suppose. Okay, distance is 3 kilometer 300 kilometers, sorry, and the time taken to cover it is 5 hours. So the speed will be 300 divided by 5, that is equals to 60 kilometer per hour. Okay, so we can use kilometer per hour or meter per second as the unit of speed. There are many units of speed as well. Next is uniform and non-uniform motion. So what is a uniform motion? So a body is said to be in uniform motion if it covers equal distances in equal time interval, and if the body does not cover equal distance in equal interval of time, then the body is said to be in non-uniform motion. For example, here you can see a body A and body P. You can see here the time interval is 15 minutes and the distance covered 5. Okay, in every 15 minutes the body A has covered 5 kilometer, but here in the second case the time interval is 15 minutes, but the distance covered is not same. Okay, as you can see here, in the first 15 minutes it traveled 10 kilometer, in another 15 minutes it covered 15 kilometer, and in next 15 minutes it just covered 5 kilometer. So here you can see the body P has not covered equal distance in equal interval of time. So this is an example of non-uniform motion that we do every day. Okay, so it is not possible to move in a uniform motion every time, as many traffics and speed breakers are there in the road, so our speed is not uniform. Next is time. So what is time? Time is the lapse between the two regularly recurring events. Human beings have felt the need to keep track of time from ancient times. In olden days, people did not have watches or clocks. They used the various events which repeated regularly to count time interval. They used the time from sunrise to sunset, the length of shadow, one full moon to another full moon, and the changes of seasons to measure the interval of time. Okay. So this is all about your today's or in this part. Okay, in the next part we are going to read about the distance time graph and ancient methods of measuring time, as well as about the simple pendulum. Okay, hope you understood the video. Thank you.